So, do you have a copy of this? The problem-solving procedure.
Yes.
Okay.
Problem solving procedure. Understand the problem, think of your plan, solve the problem.
So you have a copy of the problem-solving procedure.
Yep.
Okay. And you have a copy of the exemplars task.
Yep.
Okay. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Well, not that fancy, but yes,
Okay.
I've seen waffles.
Oh, you think those are waffles?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can you tell me what you know about waffles?
They're yummy.
Yes, indeed. Have you ever had to share a single waffle with somebody?
Sometimes.
Yeah, how does that go? What does it mean to share something?
What it means is that you take your waffle and you cut it in half and you give one half to someone and the other half to another person.
I see. I see. Do you have to give an equal share to each person?
Yes, otherwise it wouldn't be fair. Unless someone doesn't want it to be fair and one person's hungrier and the other person isn't.
All right. So our task today, the one we're going to work on, guess what it's going to be all about?
Waffles?
That's right. That's right. Okay.
I kind of guessed by the title.
That would give it away too, wouldn't it? So when we do an exemplars task, I like for us to read it 3 times, okay?
Why 3 times? Why not 2? Why not 1?
Well, have you ever tried to go too fast in solving a problem? Have you?
Yes. You
Yeah.
usually end up with the wrong answer.
See? That's right. So the 3 reads, the idea is I really want us to stop and understand the problem before we start writing on our paper. Do you remember our problem solving procedure? Do you remember what the first section tells us to do?
Understand the problem.
That's right. And that's what that 3 reads is going to help us do, okay? For the first read, I'm actually going to read it to you, okay?
Okay.
I want you, when I'm done, to kind of tell me in your own words what you think this problem is about. Kim makes 3 large square waffles to share with her 5 friends. Each large square waffle is the same size. How can Kim cut the 3 large square waffles so that Kim and her 5 friends can have an equal share of each large square waffle? Show all of your mathematical thinking.
So I think it's about helping Kim decide how she can cut her 3 large waffles so that her 5 friends. Wait, does this include her?
Ooh,
So there would be 6.
That's an excellent question. What do you think? Do you think Kim's going to want some of those waffles?
I think she will.
If I had 5 friends to my house, would I probably have some of those as well?
Yes.
I think so. I think so.
So there are actually 6 people she needs to share with, including herself. So everyone can get an equal share of the large waffles.
So now we're going to do our second read. What I'm going to have us do at the very end, I'm going to have you write me a sentence. This is my I have to sentence. This is going to kind of tell somebody reading your paper what problem you were trying to solve. So part of these exemplars problem, Katie, is to really, on our paper, we're going to show somebody else exactly how you solved this problem, okay?
Okay.
So part of an exemplars is solving it. The other part is really showing our thinking. So there's kind of 2 parts to solving one of these.
Okay.
Now, do you want me to read it or do you want to read it? Your choice.
Can I read it?
Please.
So Kim makes 3 large square waffles to share with her 5 friends. Each large square waffle is the same size. How can Kim cut the 3 large square waffles so that Kim and her 5 friends can each have an equal share of each large square waffle? Show all your mathematical thinking.
Okay. So right now, on your paper, I want you to write an I have to sentence. And this is over here in that red section of the problem-solving procedure. What do you have to do for Kim?
I have to cut the waffles.
Nice.
Because if you didn't cut the waffles, only 3 people would get a waffle.
Is that enough for everybody?
No.
No.
3 people wouldn't get a waffle.
That's not fair, is it? Now, this third read, when you're reading, one of the things I want us to do is to pull out the important information in each sentence.
So like underline as we go along.
That sounds like a great idea.
So Kim makes 3 large square waffles to share with her 5 friends. I think the important things in that are 5 friends and 3 large square waffles.
Perfect.
Each large square waffle is the same size. I think the important thing is same size. How can Kim cut the 3 large square waffles so that Kim and her 5 friends can each have an equal share of each large square waffle? So I think cutting is important, and I also think we should underline Kim and her 5 friends. They need to get an equal share of each large square waffle. Another important thing is showing all of our mathematical thinking.